Welcome to Katatrials. My name is Travis, and today we're going to be doing some sheep in boat business. First, you're going to want to get some delicious frickin' string, and then boom, string. That's what you need. You need string to create a lead. Yep, you're going to kill all these slimes and stuff, and then once all the slimes are killed, you pick up the slime. Then boom, you have slime to make a lead. Next, you got to collect wheat, because if you don't create a lead, you got to lead the sheep in some other way, like this. All right, let's create a lead. Okay, we created a lead. F you. All right, let's take the sheep. All right, see, look at that. All right, you can move the sheep into the water next to the boat and directly into the boat. But what the cool thing you could do with the sheep in a boat is that if you have the lead, you right-click them while they're in the boat, and then you could take them directly outside of the boat. What's that? What? Hey! You. All right, to get inside the boat, you right-click the boat with nothing in your hand. Boom, look at that. You got a sheep in a boat, and you can bring them anywhere you want. Hey, guys, thank you so much. Nothing will work unless you comment and like and rate. Nothing will. The SEO of the Mojang keeps track of the SEO, and YouTube, they're connected. So if you don't like and comment on this video, nothing will work. I guarantee it. So like and comment on this video, or nothing will happen. This won't work unless you like and comment on this video. This has been quick on my couch. Have a good day.